I'm dying. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup. So let's go ahead and jump right in. First, I'm going to take my green LA Girl concealer. And then we're going to start concealing all the redness. And then go in with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to take a primer and go it all over my face. And then I like to dab it over my cheeks so the concealer doesn't smudge everywhere. Next, I'm going to take my Coty Airspun Loose Translucent Powder and a Royal & Langnickel multi-purpose brush and swirl it and loosely pat it all over my face. Lightly swirl it all over my face because I learned this from Jackie Aina's videos, and I feel like it helps because the primer I use feels a little greasy, and then setting it with a little bit of powder helps the greasiness because I like a matte finish. So lightly swirl it until you're not greasy anymore. Side note, I'm obsessed with this brush. It's so soft. And now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Pro Filt'r foundation in 240. So now I'm going to move on to my brows. I use Beauty Bakery's Brownies in dark brown. Boop, 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 boop. Using ColourPop's angle eye brush and small shade brush to fill in and shape. And whenever I dip in, I like to take the excess off the back of my hand. Now I'm going to take my ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in medium 30. This was before they expanded their shade range, so I'm not sure what shade this is in the new name. And then I'm going to take this small shade brush and carve out my brows. Most of the time I don't like shaping the top, so most of the time I shape out the bottom. But sometimes when I want it to be, I guess, bold, I'll shape the top and the bottom of the brow and use my finger to blend it out. And then with the rest of the concealer that I put on the back of my hand, I just smear it all over the lid of my eye. So now that I have my eyebrows filled in and shaped, oh my god, there's something in my eye. I'm gonna go into the eye. Well, not into my eye, but like into the eye look. Oh my god, this is bothering me. I think I'm gonna do nude eye, because that's usually what I go for. So we'll just see what I decide. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I had to leave and come back in 0.2 seconds because my battery ran out. And I've decided I'm actually gonna go with a nude eye look because it's as simple as I can get. And I haven't done a video in a while, so let's just go simple. So what I think I'm gonna do is, well, what I usually do is take my Morphe 3502 and NYX, it's backwards. NYX. It's not that funny though, Julie. My NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and usually I do a nude eye look up top and then you do a pop of color on the bottom. So I think I might use a pink or teal green. Maybe, we'll see. Ugh, so heavy. Not really. She's really like 10 pounds. Hi. She's like, ooh, lights. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, I'm gonna sit you down now. So what I think I'm gonna do first is take these two and do a transition shade on above my crease. Let me go zoom in for you guys. So with the two shades I mixed in together a little bit, I'm gonna go in around my outer eye and above my crease with my Royal & Langnickel, what was it, crease and smudge brush. It's double-ended. And keep dipping it in those two shades until I get the right intensity that I want. Make circular and small windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm gonna take my Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. It's pink handle. And then take my Royal & Langnickel Dome Shadow BMD 410 brush. I'm going to use this to pack on the colors and then use my Luxie blending brush to just, blend it out. I keep getting itchy. I'm going to go in with this one and deepen up the color and just keep alternating until you get the desired intensity that you want. Just lightly pack it on and swirl. This time I don't think I'm going to zoom in. Just keep working it in. I like this color. This is like a deep ruby red. And just pack it into the crease and around the eye. Now I'm gonna use the same dome shadow brush, but I need a deeper color, so I'm gonna use my color switch sponge to take out the excess pigment in the brush. Now we're gonna go in deeper with, I'm gonna mix these two shades together. Go in deeper and go all over my eye. And take the same Luxie blending brush and just blend it all out. So lastly, to finish off the eye look, or at least the eyeshadow part, I'm gonna go in with this on the bottom of my eye. For blush, I use this ColourPop's Super Shock Cheek in Parakeet with my Wet n Wild angle brush dab. I just kind of messily put it on my cheeks. And then I take the multi-purpose brush from before and I buff it in a little bit, just picking up a little bit of the pigment. And then for highlight, I have Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills using my Royal and Langnickel, what is it, Highlight and Glow brush. Step all over the highlight areas. Okay, and lastly for my lashes, I'm going to take these that I got off of AliExpress. They're in their style number 125 and glue it on with my clear duo. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the glue on the lashes to dry down, I'm going to take ColourPop's Avenue Ultra Matte Lip. And before I put the lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and coat it a little bit with my Physicians Formula Mascara. Okay, here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next video, I'm hoping that me and Matt get finished in time, is I'm either going to do his makeup or he's going to do my makeup. Everyone voted that he's gonna do mine, but he's like, I don't know how to do makeup. And I'm like, babe, just watch a few tutorials and you'll be fine. But it'll still be fine either way. Callie, come back. Hello, we're back. Or at least she's back. I've been here the whole time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's any other content that you would like to see, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Like this video if you like my cat. Hi, Callie. Okay, she wants to get down. I really hate posing because I feel really silly. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, also, I wanted to thank and make a shout out to Lindsay and Merrick for suggesting I should do another video, even though I haven't done one in a few months. Thank you. Love you guys. I don't know how weird this is, or if this audio is gonna work, but please subscribe and like this video, or not, or even comment down below. Thank you for watching anyway. I'll see you in the next one.